Take your aerial adventures to the next level with the A380 4K HD drone, a powerful, feature-packed quadcopter designed for professional-grade photography, stable flight performance, and intelligent navigation. Whether you're a beginner, content creator, or drone enthusiast, the A380 is built to deliver stunning results with simplicity and precision. At the heart of this drone is its 4K Ultra HD camera, mounted on a 3-axis anti-shake gimbal that ensures your footage remains stable, smooth, and cinematic, even during high-speed maneuvers or windy conditions. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, dynamic action shots, or smooth tracking footage, the A380 delivers crisp image quality and fluid motion. With 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission, you get low-latency, high-resolution video streaming directly to your smartphone, so you can see exactly what your drone sees in real time. This means no guesswork, no lag, and no blurry surprises when reviewing your footage. Equipped with advanced GPS positioning, the A380 offers precise flight control, automatic return to home, RTH, and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Orbit Mode, and Waypoint Flight. These smart features allow you to create professional shots effortlessly. Just tap, fly, and film. But what truly sets the A380 apart is its obstacle avoidance technology. With integrated front-facing sensors, it can detect and avoid obstacles in real time, keeping your flights safe and smooth, especially in complex environments like forests, buildings, or tight indoor spaces. The drone is easy to operate thanks to one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and altitude hold. Its brushless motors provide strong lift, quiet operation, and greater durability, while the high-capacity battery offers extended flight times, allowing you to stay in the air longer and capture more epic moments. Lightweight, foldable, and portable, the A380 is perfect for travel, vlogging, real estate, outdoor exploration, or just capturing your world from a whole new perspective. Key features recap: 4K UHD camera with 3-axis anti-shake gimbal, 5G Wi-Fi transmission for real-time HD video feed, GPS smart flight modes, Follow Me, Waypoints, Orbit, obstacle avoidance sensors for safe navigation, brushless motors for power and efficiency, one-key takeoff, landing and headless mode, foldable design, lightweight and travel-ready, long flight time with intelligent battery system. Perfect for aerial photography and videography, YouTube and social media content creation, travel and vlogging, real estate shoots, beginners and hobbyists, FPV flight practice. So whether you're soaring over mountaintops or gliding through cityscapes, the A380 drone gives you the tools to film like a pro, fly with confidence, and capture your world from above in stunning detail.